This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in Kettering, Ohio is full of nice upgrades, has a great location, has recently hit the market, and is ready to become your new home. This apartment features a walk-in closet right off of the front entryway, an updated kitchen, luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire unit, laundry in the building, fresh modern gray paint throughout the unit, and a cozy little balcony with a great view. Not only is this apartment absolutely adorable inside, it's got a great location. You're close to lots of green space and outdoor activities like parks, miniature golf, and skating centers, as well as some great Dayton restaurants like Mama DeSalvo's Italian, Elsa's Mexican, and Sky Asian, of course, for sushi. You'll also be able to find great shopping centers as well as doctor's offices nearby. This apartment has a really nice open floor plan. As you can see, that laminated vinyl plank flooring really adds a nice modern feel. When you enter through the front door, you've got easy access to the kitchen, which is great for unloading your groceries. We've updated the countertops and have some nice black appliances in this unit for a sleek, modern look. Right outside of the kitchen, we have a cozy little dining center that's perfect for putting a nice sized table in, or a little cafe table if you prefer a smaller size. Behind that dining area, we've got a nice walk-in closet that's perfect for storage. If you love holiday decorations or just want to have some nice storage space while you're living in an apartment, this closet is perfect. Here's another view of that dining room area right off of the kitchen. As you can see, it is pretty large and you can fit a nice table there. Right off of your spacious living room, you have a little balcony that's perfect for putting 1 or 2 chairs and a little cafe table on. One of my favorite features of this apartment is the cut-through window into the kitchen. This is great if you have guests over and need to be in the kitchen but still interacting with your guests. Right down the hallway, we have our bathroom here, and behind the door there is additional storage shelving as well that's great for linens. You have a cute little vanity as well as a medicine cabinet mirror, and as you can see, that vinyl plank continues throughout the entire apartment. This is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, and it gets a nice amount of natural light and has a nice little closet, perfect for using as a bedroom or also as a home office. The master bedroom is a little bit larger than the smaller bedroom that you just viewed and is able to hold a bed and furniture quite nicely. You do have double windows in this room, allowing for even more natural light, and again, you have a regular sized closet as well as your utility closet being in this room. And as we peek again at the living area, you can see once more just how spacious this area is. If you're interested in taking a look at this apartment in person, please feel free to call our office at 937-236-7368 to schedule a showing. All Serv Properties is open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5 and would be happy to schedule a time to show you this unit.